All right, on this problem, the first thing that we want to realize is that we have two inequalities, which means it's a compound inequality, which means it's either an and or an or. Whenever it's written like this in one long sentence or one long statement, it's always going to be an and. Okay, so if you don't see the word and it's written in one line like that, it's going to be an and. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to break it up into the left side and the middle. So negative 2 is less than or equal to 2x minus 6. And then we're going to do the whole middle on the right side. 2x minus 6 is less than 4. I just have to solve each of those individually, and then we'll use the graph to figure out what our final answer is. So I'm going to add 6 to both sides. No need to switch the sign. Divide by 2. Still no need to switch the sign. Now, some people don't like the x written on the right. Some will write the x on the left. This says 2 is smaller than x, so if I want to switch the order, I would say x is greater than or equal to 2. Either one of those is okay. You do not need both of them. But either way, your inequality should be chomping on the x. When I come to the right side, we're going to basically duplicate those steps. That's 2x less than 10. Don't need to switch the sign because I added. Here, I don't need to switch the sign because I divided by a positive 2. So now I have two answers that are combined with an and. So to see what that's going to look like, I need to draw a graph. So I'm going to go 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. And I'm going to do each one individually. I'll do the green one, this one here. We said x is greater than or equal to 2, so that's a solid circle at 2 to the right. And then I'm going to do this one. That's an open at 5, and it's smaller, so it's to the left. And then I got to think about what the word and means. And means where do they overlap, or where are they solutions to both? Okay, and I can kind of see here that there's only one solution on the far left. There's two solutions. They're both solutions in the middle, and there's only one solution on the far right. So my solutions are going to be between 2 and 5. And the way I write that final answer is I put my x between the 2 and the 5. And I can kind of cheat. I can actually look right here and say, hey, that inequality is eating the 5 and not the x. So that's what I'm going to do here. Over here, it's eating the x and not the 2. So I'm going to eat the x and not the 2. And this right here, not the blue and the green, but the red is my final answer.